This is actually a really nice drill and can be applied across sports as well to kind of that bridge from going into rehab, non-contact training to full training. There's kind of a big missing gap in there in terms of just a little bit of in between. So we call this like a tackling gates or grid. So the aim of the game for Brooke is to start, and we might actually start them a little bit closer to begin with. You're trying to get through here, between here. So if you get through here, win for you. Your job is to stop her and tackle her, and ideally kind of push her out of the square. So we'll see how you go to begin with, and then we'll kind of do some coaching from there. Yep. Good. Yep. So force her out. Yep. So your foot. Yep. Stop there. And then as soon as the person with the ball goes out of the square, then it's kind of game over, point to the tackler. And because it is a really small square, we would expect you to get tackled. You're not going to be able to run away from it. If I was coaching you, I would be like, okay, you want to just actually not run away, you want to actually just try and, even if you get tackled, you can still try and drive your legs out of there. So the key for you, again, to bring in some of the warm-up stuff is you have to stay low all the time. As soon as you've got to kind of stay low, don't stand up, either of you. So the first tackle that you tried to get Brooke, you went with your arm. So one of the key teaching points is not reaching. So like I was talking about before, if you kind of if you reach with your hand, you're kind of reaching with your leg as well. So you actually want to like kind of tackle with your body. So on the whistle, it's straight away trying to like go for the body, not kind of try and just grab them on their shirt. Yeah. All right, ready? Good, and then stay low. Yeah, good, much better.